This is our Champion dual fuel 4500 watt 30 amp generator. Y'all, I'll put this generator up against any other brand out there from a durability standpoint, hands down. I'll put it up against the red one. I'll put it up against the green one. I'll even put it up against the blue one. This thing has been absolutely rock solid, but we're gonna have to retire it because Illinois destroyed it. Oh, that broke off. Won't hold it. Usually we don't do negative videos, and this is not a negative video. This is more of a public service announcement for the state of Illinois, of which we're telling RVers, don't go through there if you don't have to. In all seriousness, we're not doing a negative video on Champion, really not doing a negative video on Illinois. Really the goal here is to get you guys to like and share and subscribe, and then share this video so Champion feels bad for us and gives us a new generator. All right, how did this generator end up in this condition? As you can see, the frame is bent. This is busted loose. The side cover is so bad that it pulled out from the screw holes here, and it won't even fasten. The whole frame is twisted on this. This is the door that goes to the oil change. I don't even know where the door went. It flew off. For 3 years, we've owned this generator, and it was in pristine condition. You can see one of our early videos where we run through the breakthrough test on it. We carried it with our travel trailer. We carried it in the Tandera. It's always stayed in the bed of the truck. We ended up going to Indiana and had to cut through Illinois. This generator sat right there on the back of the truck. Well, the roads were so bad in Illinois, they paved around potholes, y'all. And I wish we had footage of it, but there's a pothole here, and they paved around it. This stayed in the bed of the truck, and the roads were so bad that all the damage you see here was the 4 hours that we drove through Illinois, and it banged it in the bed of the truck and knocked it up against the hitch. So this is 4 hours worth of absolute carnage from the state of Illinois because their roads are absolutely horrible. I'm sure a lot of y'all are saying, why don't you carry it in the understorage? Well, we just don't have room to put it in the understorage. We left it on the tailgate of the truck so the exhaust fumes didn't get into the rig when we used it. But we don't have storage area there. We don't have an area in the front bay that isn't being used for storage. So it rode in the bed of the truck, which thanks to Gen Y, the whole bed of the truck is opened. Then we carried 4 propane tanks, and we would just simply connect the generator up and run the rig when we overnighted. So back to Champion. I'm gonna show y'all how good of a generator this thing is. It has literally been beat to snot. It looks like it's been thrown down a hill and everything else. It's currently off. I'm gonna give it 1 pump to prime it, and I'm gonna click it over to run. Starts flawlessly. The thing is absolutely a beast. It's currently running off of gasoline, but as you can see right here, it's putting out the required power. It's still at the right hertz, and it's got like 700 hours on it, 700.3 hours. So the generator has been fantastic, even being beat to absolute snot. Would I recommend a Champion generator? Absolutely. Would I recommend leaving your generator on the bed of the truck to go through Illinois while towing? Absolutely not. And Illinois, honestly, fix your frickin' roads. Why do your roads suck so bad? If Champion wants this for their display, simply send us a new unit. We'll swap it out. We'll get this one back to you, and you can show the ruggedness and durability of your generator. This thing doesn't even leak oil. That's it.